Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the chapter punctuation marks. Here in this chapter, there are 5 punctuations. Which all are they? Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and apostrophe. For what all purpose we used punctuation marks? Full stop is used for a sentence always stop with full stop. The train stops here. Here is the full stop. Ends with full stop all the sentences. One more example. Open the window. Here comes the full stop. Then next comes comma. Comma is used to show a little pause. It is used like he lost health, wealth and money. Here is used the comma. One more. I have a pen, pencil, book and bottle. Here are 2 commas, pen after and pencil after. And let's also see after this sentence the full stop. After this sentence also the full stop. Full stop is used for all the sentences ends with full stop. Then next comes question mark. Question mark is used for after direct question. Let me show some examples. Here let's see, when will the school reopen? With question mark its end. Where are you going? Here also ends with question mark. In this sentence there is no full stop, but after the direct question, after the direct sentence there is a question mark. That is used for the question mark. Now exclamation mark. Here you can see the exclamation mark. Hooray! After that we have won. Here this sentence ends with full stop and here comes exclamation mark. Here alas, he has died. Here comes the exclamation mark, ends with full stop. Then comes next apostrophe. Here let's see, don't, close the door. Don't after comes here apostrophe, which means do not, its short form is don't. In order to show the negative, we use apostrophe here. Don't close the door, ends with full stop. We can't go to room. Here comes apostrophe here, ends with full stop. Here we can also write like this, we cannot go. In order to make easy for the sentence, we can't. We use apostrophe here. Now one more extra in this punctuation mark is called capital letter. How we can use the capital letter? Here let's see, they visited New Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. All the sentences starts with capital and the place name will be also start with capital. New Delhi, Agra, Jaipur. And here comes the comma. You can see we have used New Delhi after comma, Agra after comma. And the sentences ends with full stop. After all the full stop, we start with a capital letter. The sentence begins. Now next, my mother's name is Mrs. Radha. M is capital because the first letter with a capital. Here comes apostrophe S. Here comes M, capital. Name is always written, first letter will be the capital. So my mother's name is Mrs. Radha. Now let me also tell you once again the definitions. Full stop is used. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Comma is used to show a little pause. Question mark is used. A question mark is used after a direct question. Exclamation mark is used at the end of the words that show joy, sorrow or wonder. Apostrophe is used to show some expression. And the capital letter is used to start the sentence and also the place names and nouns. Thank you.